Most of you keep asking me how to stop waiting for the best moment in your life and start acting now. Personally, I don't like to stand still, and development is my priority. So I've been constantly looking for opportunities in different areas to better myself. And recently, I'm quite interested in an industry that helps me to gain more extra income for myself, and that is pocket broker trading platform. Yes, this platform has helped me discover a new financial horizon and also found more time for myself. All I need is a few hours to analyze the market, open the trade, and then take my profit. So even if you don't have more time, then social trading is going to be your assistant.
All you need to do is to click on the social trading and then find a top trader and then connect to their trading. Now, anytime he opens a trade, it will be opened in your account. And as you can see, this is a successful trade that I closed today.
Now, follow the link to register and use the promo code NKB100. Get 100% bonus on your first deposit. Register now. Join Pocket Broker. Let's make some quick money together. I don't want you to be left out. Join now and let's cash out together.
Peace all in this one.
My husband's birthday is in 3 days.
3 days.
Time. Please. I want a spring cleaning to be done in this house. A total general cleaning. Baby beer, fear baby a straw form. See to is our prayer to cheat. I'm an come. Me power chow. So I will say, because so the TV. Me so.
Oh, man.
Shut up.
I'm
talking, you're talking. Shut up. I've not landed yet. So I don't so. Stick to your duties. Because I pay you handsomely for your work in this house. And know your place in this house. You are just a domestic servant. A common house boy at that.
Oh.
I don't want a situation whereby you'll be mingling with the guest at the party. You are not part of my family.
Okay.
Stay where I tell you to stay until you are called for. Do you get me?
Yes, madam. So is it cleaning?
Yes, everywhere.
And I'm sure my serious service will be cleaning. I see the whole over. Mati, may you need an amount. Why? And anyway, you so we are watching. Really? Young wire, Naka. Young son, sir, we see any, and I start painting class.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Are you now an interior decorator? Don't you know this is a POP work? Do you know how long it takes to fix this thing? Say young wine here, 3 days time in young wine. And not for
say how let me quality. I was in the have my house see no. As
I feel it in my bones that you're going to cause trouble on the said date.
And your screen be my sir, you see TV be able to clean your meaning. And now I seen in the body scene now, will be or be a vessel will be out. Okay, who here, Master Bianca, will be cried in Sugar Blue, be another you drink baby. A body scene now, a sense of me as well, not a fiamma. If you say pizza, I go and get one. Ubo pizza, if you are DRQ pizza, Nankabia, Nanka, I drop it, a blow.
Up or down. What damn? You are a weirdo. You are a psycho.
You better be the poo. I lake you have a talk. You see, Nanky had this. You know, machines now. On Monday, boat to Nanky. Yes, and you do make a bit maybe.
Anyway, you call why? Audience go to train more people. No problem.
Now, if on garden, if on.
Are you a landscape?
Gardeners, when I go make the case, I feel
good.
I'm going to flower near dinner. Nanka met me.
I guess what being crying make for me. So with all the people in this world, my husband could not choose any domestic servant than you for me.
So when I mean you say no.
Excuse me.
What
did you just say? What did you just say?
What
did you just say? How dare you? You tell me to help you carry this table. Are you out of your mind? Get out before I disfigure your face. Get out! Get out! Hey God.
Why is you today? The mass here, you won't today.
Hey, Bella! Bella!
Bella Mundi!
Mom!
Where am I from? You know, I Moluga chance, you know.
Bella!
Cockage, you want to call protection, that didn't be I'm watching. I do this time.
Bella! I have told you not to be overly nice with this trash.
It's fine. A year call.
Can I come to flowers and I will bonus? Answer Jensen and can say, Mammy. Well, Mamma. Thank you. Mamma, Johnny.
You called?
Bella, you are your daddy's girl. Please, when he comes home, tell him I want this evil guy out of this house.
But Mom, why?
This, I think he's diabolic. Whatever he does...
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey! It's okay. Relax.
I'm even getting palpitations.
Sorry.
Whatever he does irritates me.
Sorry.
Bella, please. Your dad's birthday is in 3 days' time. Since he is your friend, see to it he does everything good in this.
Mom, sorry.
He has really triggered my...
It's fine.
I'm having a panic attack. This guy has to leave the house, seriously. Whatever he does irritates. I think I'll have to go and lie down.
No, let me get you water.
No, let me go and lie down.
I really want to invite her. Yeah.
Invite her. I know who you're referring to. Your girlfriend, right? That's fine. You can invite her. Since Daddy said you can invite friends and loved ones, why not? Isn't she your girlfriend? Hey.
Why do you want me to invite her? So you do what you've been doing all the time?
No. See, I hold nothing against her. She's your girlfriend. And this is going to be a memorable day. We have to celebrate with our loved ones. Why not? Come on, invite her.
Where's this sudden energy from?
See, you are my brother. And you love her. I can't be fighting you over something you cherish so much. So yeah, I have to deal with it.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, fine, I'll invite her.
What does she want? So that I can get it ready. Is it wine, a special wine or something? Just let me know. What does she want?
Whatever she wants, I'll get it for her. That's not your headache.
Don't do that.
I'll call her, fine. You just go back to whatever you're doing, I'll call her.
Is it wrong to be nice? I hope I'm seeing her, right? Come on, smile!
Yes, you will. You see.
Good! Alright?
I have climbed the mountains. I've tried to reach the stars.
Okay.
To make you see me. To make you see me.
This weekend.
With every step I've
Go to
taken.
your friend's place?
No, I've got a funeral. My grandma's funeral, remember?
Your grandma's friend or your grandma herself? Because I thought you said I was like...
Yeah, it's the same thing.
No. Say your grandma's one is in 2 weeks.
Yes, but my grandma's friend is my grandma. Or?
So what happens to this weekend? I want us to go out.
You should have told me earlier. No.
It's like 5 days to the weekend, right? Okay. Saturday is my uncle's birthday. He's having a little get together in the house. Because I don't want to be alone, so that's what I'm trying to get you to come to. You say you're going for the funeral.
I don't want to come to your place.
You're coming for a party. There are going to be other people. There's not going to be just us for my sister to do her usual thing. There'll be more people, so.
You're going to say this thing like it's not just any regular say my sister's not going to do anything, but the next minute she's going to blow things, and I don't like it. I don't.
Listen.
You should understand.
I understand. You know, since you said you're not going to come again, I haven't really put pressure on you. But this is just like an event. It's a one-off thing. Just come, let's have fun. I'll get your favorite wine.
No, don't try to bribe me. No.
I'm not bribing you.
That's exactly what you're doing. Don't try that.
I could bring the wine home and then we take it here.
Better.
But, come on. Just come and witness whatever it is. I would have to be there. It's my uncle's party. I need to be there before.
Baby, you can be there and come here later.
At 1 a.m.?
It doesn't matter.
You wouldn't want to come so we have fun and build up till 1 a.m.?
There's nothing to build up.
So you're coming.
There's nothing to build up.
I'll go with you to your grandma's home next week. So let's try and meet her friends on this weekend, please.
Leave me
Be my guest for Saturday. And should I get you a fit or you surprise me? Say something. Should I get
I'm
you a
just
fit?
thinking, because your house is a place I've told myself not to get to that place ever again.
I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you on Thursday. I'll call you on Friday and make sure to remind you to come. So you're coming. You coming?
I guess I can say no.
Yes, you are. Anyway, I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
What do you have?
Noodles and my
No.
You're hungry?
I don't want lazy food.
Did you hear what I said?
Noodles and what?
My bed.
Okay,
so which one are you going for?
Noodles first, and then the second. Oh,
that's just the one to eat.
Wow. Get to know who you are in Christ. And the only way you can get to know, the only way you can discover yourself is by searching the scriptures. Prophecy is good, but the word is above. Do you want to live forever? Grasp the word. Do you want to do great things? Grasp the word. Same type of snake, same venom, killed many. They are waiting for Paul to die. They waited, and you see, as this knowledge of God's word enter your spirit, what your enemies waited for others to die in the family, they will wait for you and you will not die, but you will live to declare the works of God.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Hey, Bella, you're looking so beautiful.
And who are you?
No, why, Bella?
Bella, why? Why don't you remember me? Don't you remember me anymore? Bella, Andy from Facebook. I've been chatting with you for several times. Check, Andy. You see, Andy.
Okay, and so what are you doing here?
Oh, you know, I came to visit you and check up on you, how you are doing. But
You came to visit me, just like that, without any invitation.
Bella.
Are you okay?
Bella, we need big deal. We okay, Benny.
I'm not chatting and I'm a band.
I know me chatting on me more constant brother Sherman now boy when me face I don't want to show sir.
Me no didn't come on feeling me ana. Feeling me as I make me so feeling me. As my bound china where Bema Kitwanim so Bema bound china so now with
is that what you think? Sana your own. Me no work asante you say really? No. You are below my shut up. You are below my standard. Do you hear me? Even if I want to date someone, not you.
I am below your standard.
Of course. You didn't ask? Oh, I'm sorry, nigga.
Alright, what you do?
No, if you have a better crime, seen a boom boom ras of it. What boom? Who crime any more than
I am below your standard.
Of course.
Huh?
He dare not.
What's about?
I know how can a more crime someone in Brafia.
What's your name?
Only me.
Meaning so Obabo. Ura. Any the carbon answer.
Fanny Kushi go about him. Or they were no big in a house and net was funny piano good baby.
Arabella, was it? Bella, why are they? Or so pana?
The effrontery.
Bella, I am below your standard.
Ew.
Bella, what's the pay? Huh? I don't why want to be an I want to be.
When you me Bonibia, a person number 2 name. And it's why yes, I don't know.
Let your person and what to me. I see Papa will be simple, sir. Huh? What I say?
What I say?
If I slap you, get out.
No idea. Many sure sister or but see, maybe a proposal.
Bella, you see me, what I say? As my bone chain cry, and I say, nobody didn't come and say anything also. I mean, Bella, many man say, I'll call you and 3 months.
When? Bema, what's missing Papa will be free as I will be matter. Now, minimum says I propose in our debut. I can't remember inside the crowd. Then I'm the builder. Then I'm the builder. Open yourself. Go. Let's quiet. Many people are going to go with you.
Get out.
And if I will do something. What to know about Pia? Ah, want to know about Say.
Leave.
Hey, me babu. Babu what?
No.
Hey, what on here? Hey.
Oh my. Hey, you ready?
Hello. How may I help you?
I know we've not been on a good note lately, and I'm here to apologize for my attitude towards you. I didn't mean to put you through all that. Sometimes I'll be having my personal issues, and then when I see you, it triggers me, and then I pour it all on you. I am sorry. I didn't mean to. And I'm also here to invite you to Daddy's birthday party, which will be happening tomorrow. I know you know about it, but I wanted to personally apologize and to invite you to make peace. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I hope nothing against you, and Besides, if you're my boyfriend's sister, I don't think I have to hold anything against you. As long as I love my boyfriend, I can't hate you or I can't have issues with you. So it's fine. And for the party, I think I'm gonna get back to Prince. So me coming or me not coming, I'll let you know. Or Prince is gonna let you know.
Please, don't let you not coming be as a result of...
No, it's not about you. It's not about you.
Please, I'll be very happy to see you there.
It's fine. I've got a funeral. My grandma passed, so the funeral is gonna be tomorrow. So I don't know. I'm contemplating on either to come or not to come, but I'll let you know if anything.
The party's in the evening, so you can still go to the funeral.
That's what I'm trying to say, yeah.
So right. We'll be looking forward
probably
to
after the funeral. Yeah, maybe. It's fine.
All right.
Okay. So.
Bye.
Bye.